Good afternoon, grade 6. I hope you have been staying indoors and sanitizing your hands. Welcome to STEM Lockdown Digital School, Life Skills, grade 6. My name is Sina Musi, and I am going to be your presenter for today. Please note, you can send any homework, any questions about the lessons, about the content, and any activities that you want to video and send to me at sinamusi@gmail.com. So today we are going to be looking at self-management skill. We are going to learn about responsibilities at home and at school, prioritizing those responsibilities that you have at home and at school, and also developing a plan so that for your homework, house chores, and your playing time. And then for your homework, you're going to be practicing reading skills. So let's start with today's lesson. What is self-management skills? Well, self-management skills are the skills Self-management skills are the skills you use every day to survive and to get along in life. Self-management skills include planning activities, organizing activities, and thinking ahead. We all have responsibilities that we are accountable for, and we all need to find a way to manage them. These responsibilities can be things such as keeping the room tidy, making a bed, washing dishes, being ready on time in the morning to go to school, doing your homework, or going to sports practice. Now, we have been home for quite some time now. I am sure by now you have new responsibilities. Can you think of new chores that you currently have due to the lockdown? Quickly note down those chores. Let's continue. Sometimes it is hard to manage all the things you need to do. Do you recognize yourself in the picture? Would you like to be more organized? Being organized is an important self-management skill which will make your life easier and less stressful. For instance, look at the boy in this picture in the bottom. Look at his face. Does he look happy and healthy to you? The best way to become more organized is to plan the order in which you are going to do this. You can do this by prioritizing. Prioritizing means you put things into order from the most important to the least important. By prioritizing your home and school responsibilities, you deal with the most important ones first. This means prioritizing helps you to get more organized. For instance, if you can look at the two pictures there, the boy in the first picture, because of his room is clean and is more organized, he's able to have time in his room and read. Unlike the child in the bottom, who is currently looking at who is forever negotiating as to why he won't be doing his work. Now let's look at today's activity. Today's activity's heading is Prayer's busy day. I say here, Prayer has many things to do every day. She feels that she has too much to do and little time. She often procrastinates. Maybe we also sometimes feel like Prayer. Do you sometimes feel like Priya? Let's look at the activity. Number one, they say, identify Priya's responsibility at school and at home. So you're going to study this picture. Then after you study this picture, we are going to identify all of Priya's responsibilities at school and at home. Once you are done identifying which responsibilities to place at school and which responsibilities she's supposed to do them at home, we are going to help her prioritize her day. Okay, so you are going to organize the information that you see on the picture onto a table. Okay, the first column will have responsibilities at school. The second column will have responsibilities at school, at home, and the last column will have things Priya does that are not important. Remember, things that are not important are things which are not a priority. That means that you do not have to do them first. Okay? Once you're done answering question 2, we move on to question 3 and 4. In question 3, they say we can relate to Priya because we have many things to do every day. Don't we? Of course we do. So in order for us to be able to manage all the things that we need to do every day, there's a way that you need to manage them. Okay? What can you do? You can list them down and plan how you do them. So in this activity, that's what you'll do on number 4 and number 5. Number 4, you're going to make a list of your own responsibilities at school and at home. Then, after listing them, you're going to prioritize them. You're going to write a table similar to the one that is on screen. Okay? And then you're going to list your responsibility from the least important to the most important in the correct column. So now that you have learned all your responsibility and you have prioritized them. Now you need to plan how we are going to do them. Okay? So, to continue, one of the most important aspects of self-management is learning to manage your time. We have only 24 hours in a day. That means you must change this time to have a balanced and productive life. You can do this by developing a plan on how you will manage this time. One way to do this is to keep a diary. A diary is a book in which you keep record of all the things you need to do. If you use a diary properly, it will help you to manage your time and keep track of things you need to do. Look at the 2 pictures of diaries there. The picture on your left-hand side is a spelling book record, okay? And then the picture on your right-hand side is actually a self-management diary. So you can see the date is put down, the time, and each activity that needs to be done. So when you are writing down a plan to manage your time, this is what it must look like roughly. Okay, now a quick recap to our lesson. Quick recap of our lesson. Today, we learned about self-management skills, specifically, we learned about responsibilities that you have at home and at school. Moreover, we learned about prioritizing those responsibilities. Furthermore, we learned about Furthermore, we learned about planning, prioritizing your responsibility. We looked at Priya's life and we helped her prioritize her place, her day. And now for your homework. With the following case study and look at the example of Wood's diary. Once you're done reading the diary, note your plans for the next day, for the next school day. Fill in the dates, day of the week, and the important things you need and want to do. Once you are done with your homework, you can either video it and send it to me, or you can just take a screenshot and forward it to my email. That is sinamosi@gmail.com. For more information with regards to this link or to learn more about this topic, you can either go into one of these links on YouTube. That's it all for today. Thank you so much, guys. See you next week as we look at bullying.